The A Ma Maniére X Air Jordan 6 brings a refined, luxury twist to one of Jordan Brand's most iconic silhouettes. Rebuilt through James Whitner's vision of adult streetwear, this collaboration blends premium craftsmanship with the classic DNA of the 1991 Air Jordan 6. A smoky, diffused taupe nubuck upper shifts in color under light, offering a calm yet standout aesthetic for any style. Signature A Ma Maniére touches complete the look, most notably the quilted inner collar, cameo rose lace lock accents, and the engraved A Ma Maniére tongue branding that elevates its premium feel. A contrasting black and off-white midsole sharpens the overall shape, while the translucent outsole adds a modern, lightweight impression. Functional details like side vents and the sculpted heel pull highlight the sneaker's performance-built origins. Finished with the embroidered Nike Air on the heel, this pair seamlessly fuses elegance, heritage, and street-ready presence, making it one of the most anticipated and visually striking Jordan releases for collectors and sneaker fans.